Welcome back to our channel. I am ready for love.
But we're gonna be playing a couples game today. But first, man, do a little like icebreaker-ish game. Something for like start with to get you in the mood. So me see that game here go around for like YouTube. So like me say one marshmallow, you say check it out, and me say woo. So it's one marshmallow, check it out, woo. Two marshmallow, check it out, woo, woo. And then we carry on.
The game that you're about there?
No, this is one different game from this. This is just the icebreaker. You get it?
But how you want marshmallow, two marshmallow, check it out?
So you have to go to the beat. One marshmallow. So one marshmallow, you have to say check it out, and then you have to say woo. And then you have to say two marshmallow, and then so we'll count. The point is to remember where you're doing a game.
Is it okay?
You understand?
That's like it long.
Just try.
Okay.
So come now.
One marshmallow, check it out. You like icebreaker, every like that. Beef icebreaker? Wow. Guys, that's something so long like me forgot. Beef icebreaker? Okay, you got it.
Alright, the alphabet one.
Hold on.
Yeah, first continue one conversation with the first. The first letter of the sentence must be the next letter in the alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
At a point I thought I was going to sick.
But you weren't sick.
Can you believe it?
Don't it?
Every time I feel that way, I get scared.
For real?
Gotta believe it.
How you do that?
I don't know.
Just thank God say never did.
No.
What?
No.
No what? What you know?
Then
I said no?
I count it to the alphabet in my head. Remember what it is.
You lose. That make no sense there so.
Whatever.
Come, one more round. Let me start. A long time that video you have to do, you know?
But it's your fault.
Can't believe you said that.
Then what do you expect me to say?
Every time the video for do, are you missing?
For real. Sometimes.
God no.
Hi. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
I don't know what that was.
I said hi, calm down.
Me continue.
Oh, just relax.
Tanisa doesn't do that.
Hello. I just said.
Oh, you reach a hello.
No H.
After K?
J K.
KL again. Alright, guys. Could get into the game. So it's the ultimate couples game. I got it on Amazon. So the first question, which one of us is more present when we are talking?
Depends on what the situation is, I would say. If it is like social media talk, then you.
What do you mean by social media talk?
Something about social media or something of that sort, then you. And then I'll be present when you're talking about something that can't tell a story long, like, is I just tell you what I tell you? With a grunt, some call and some kind
No,
of
because you're going to ask me the background question, then so I have to tell her the background, then me tell her the story.
You're likely to lose anyway, so.
But you are going to ask a bag of questions, so me.
No, you're assuming that I'm going to ask.
No, you
things.
are, because you love ask a bag of questions.
So why answer to that then?
I think is me.
You're more present.
Yeah. Alright, so what is the thing I waste the most money on?
You don't really waste money. You money you can't waste. So like this what you have now. Can buy game on Amazon. Yeah. Then got something there. Some little macaroni, some little something we see buy on Amazon. I said, what is? What game I say?
That is fun. Alright, so what is my... I don't have none of that, so what is the question I ask 5 times a day?
Yeah, right? Yeah. Or how was your day? Something like that. You know,
So me ask that 5 times a day?
Well, not 5, but more. Like, to me, the one question I might ask frequently, perhaps. Yeah.
Scan me.
Oh, God.
So that one here says, scan me. Okay. The scenario is here now. So, scenario, jealousy. I am out at a bar with you and I come back from the bathroom and you are cheersing with someone else. How would I react? A, play cool and offer both of you a drink. B, confront you both and ask who your new friend is. C, leave the bar. Or D, one next option.
One next option, I think you just come today and little bitish kind of yarn me like, what is happening here? But at the same time, try to get into the moment like, okay, I am present, I was here too, and I am so and so. But I don't think you're going to
Tell me how good that is. So like, me and you, me cheers with somebody else and me there, so it's somebody, how would that come in?
Hey, hi, you guys are having fun. Yes, and what's your name? Or who are you? Okay. And then, Jerome, by the way, I'm ready or something like that. I'm gonna be like, girl, we're cheersing. We're not looking at her. Something like that, yeah. I don't think that'll be true. No, there's something different. What are you gonna do? Not for sure.
What you would I do?
Once you cheers up to that man, but I stop first and look, could be not come out right time. I just pause and look and like, I'm sorry, really, I'm going to say, okay then, because apparently I thought we came here, didn't we? Came with somebody else. So I was like, one cheers and greet up and say, okay. Then I'll go there and turn up. So, look on you and say,
So, supposed to me.
I yelling, man, And then watch you. If you ever that skin your teeth too much, no, just cut left you.
Stop, my new friend.
No, if you ever that skin your teeth, I hate this. I want to see you, sir.
Not give me a joke.
No, if you ever that skin your teeth too much, I don't get the look.
Alright, then suppose when we come now, I like somebody who me know for a long time and me just book them up.
That's what I'm saying. I had to stay actually, before actually come
no,
over there.
who that skin me teeth, so you don't not think who this me skin teeth with.
No, man, what kind of skin teeth I'm not talking about? Someone do the most, like, where your skin teeth so far? Like, I'm supposed to get joke for your band, like, where skin teeth so far?
Okay. Who spends more time on social media?
That's you, B. I don't use social media, people.
What is my biggest achievement?
Your biggest achievement? That's kind of hard to answer, like, achievement. I would think your baby, your son. I don't know.
Who is better at managing the future family funds?
You know, so come think of him, I think I could.
No, it asks present. It asks I could
Present.
or I would or I did or.
To be honest, I think both are right now.
That's the answer.
What's the answer?
Yes.
Oh. Guys,
Right now, both of us.
Okay.
But before?
No, it's not.
Before?
Experience, teach, wisdom.
People the ear just not ear. I mean, just I try to ignore it. But
This fun,
anyways,
you know what I'm going to. Yeah, go on.
would I leave you for 6 months to travel if I was given a free all-inclusive ticket? I wouldn't leave you. Wouldn't just pack my bag and see you 6 months time.
Can't do it.
Why?
Put on cat on my side.
I lie you tell.
I like my. Oh, put the cat on. Target truth. I'm going to put the cat point. I got that point.
Mother go like, why mother go left you? What would be the point of experiencing the world for 6 months? And you know did it.
Oh my god. I'm flattered. Anyways, move on.
What is the best gift I have ever given you?
Don't worry. So the business something else, yeah, come okay.
What does the best gift me give?
I'm gonna you alone give me Jamar. Me, I'll get Jamar. Anyways, move on.
Who is the most jealous in the relationship?
So I come on to be careful on my side, so.
Me not put it nowhere else. Me not put it nowhere else.
I wouldn't even describe my situation as jealous. I think I have a reason to feel how I feel if I feel how I feel. So, you know me, your answer, just because I'm one at the point, you know me, the answer. But it's not so. Yeah.
What is the answer then?
No, I don't think my situation is jealous.
What is it?
If you give somebody a reason to feel away, they
No,
feel
what
away.
is the reason for you to be jealous?
No, in the sense that if you create a jealous situation, then the person deserves to be jealous, but I don't think you can classify the person as being a
That
jealous
is not
person.
what we asked. We asked who is the most jealous person in
None
the
of us are
relationship.
jealous unless you cause a situation.
Then no, it
completely
must one
jealous.
situation cause it.
Me not in a situation I'm jealous yet. But me say if I am potential jealous, you are potential jealous. All of us are potential
But who
jealous.
is the most?
If the situation warrants more jealousy, then you're going to be more jealous.
Who is going to be more jealous?
Depending on the situation, that will determine who is going to be more jealous.
Are you?
So I don't think I am
Okay,
jealous.
are you?
Everybody have, just like silence, everybody have silence,
So what
everybody
is
have
the
jealousy.
answer?
For your sake and to win the game's sake,
No.
the answer
what,
is me.
No, what is the answer?
For the game, you know?
Yes.
Me. Because I'm not having an edit. Me saying you may get it wrong. So me for the game's sake.
No, because you're lying.
No, I'm not lying.
No, you're telling a lie.
Guys, it's a matter of everybody express jealousy differently.
How many serious relationships have I had, including this one?
One, which is the only situation
Exactly.
ever. No, I'm not exactly. She's something else.
This is the only serious
But we will do more content.
Like,
Whatever. What's serious relationship? You guys are children, you're kids, like, come on. I'm the only Jenna, big money actually me.
you need 12 pink cards.
Don't get me argument.
12 pink cards and 2 yellow cards, please.
If I had to only eat one food forever, what would it be? Really? You're gonna get that wrong. So if I had to eat one food forever, what would that be?
Meal or just an item?
Let's say a meal.
Rice and chicken.
Specific.
Yeah, I go eat it for the rest of your life, so I go change it up. But a rice and
Fair
chicken.
enough, fair enough. Or I would say cornflakes, but let's leave it at that.
You
Red and
can't
white
eat
and
cornflakes,
You
can't
can't tell me that. You know
sustain
something,
it.
you can't eat other things, just enough
No.
you want something for life.
That's the only thing you can eat for the rest of your life.
Chicken can't sustain me neither. Anyway. This is a giveaway question. Let's go ask this. Anyway.
Ask it.
It says who is the least shy?
Me.
No. Who is the least shy?
Oh, you.
No, you got it wrong.
No. Me hear it
Yeah, but you
wrong.
got it. It's a game. You got
No,
it
me
wrong.
hear it
No.
wrong.
It's a game. You got it
Who
wrong.
is the least amount of shy?
No, they have to put a amount. I said who is the least shy? The same thing. You said you.
No, me never hear it right.
That's not my fault. You went to the exam, you got a question, and you misinterpreted the question and answer wrong.
But the paper never take back.
No. I got the point.
No,
babe.
that's not fair.
That's why I said I can't play cancer. She's very hard to
Alright,
play.
disqualified. that question then.
Put it over here so. You've got one correct, which is the first question.
No, 2.
People, you see, the point is a simple game, you know?
Me never hear the question right.
That's not my
Me
fault.
clarify questions for you, you know.
No, but you didn't ask clarify the question twice, and you did not say you didn't understand. You asked. Thank
No,
you.
me just
Come on, man. You're wasting the time.
But when you
Come on, come talk to your
misunderstand
mother. No. Put the thing over here. You lost that point. Come, babe, and stop pull up the game.
yeah, so me not like
You're moving
this.
like a 3 card, man. Yes.
That no fear.
Life itself isn't, babe. Who is the biggest flirt? Babe, get in the vibe. Move on. The game is
No,
good.
yeah, thief.
Come here, babe. Yeah, take 2 answer my question. You lose point for that. Who is the biggest flirt?
You don't even know how to flirt, says me. Give me this.
You know what that means?
Moving on.
I'm a natural. So without trying, I can flirt.
Come,
You can
do
see,
this.
what would I be doing if I had an hour free in the day? Okay.
Sleep. I watch movie.
Alright, take your points. I'm not really convinced you know the one, but you know.
I know one of them there.
Kind of shaky. What is this? What is the strangest? Excuse me. What is the strangest thing I do in bed? I'm like, what that? Okay, talk to the world.
You have an answer?
Depending on what you say, I could say if there's something stranger than that, but I'm gonna take me have a definite answer.
You never understand.
There's nothing strange about me. What is the strangest thing I do in bed?
You don't know strange in bed.
Okay. Let me get into that. I don't know if I'm the strange in the bed. How many kids do I want to have? This is a giveaway. How many kids do I want to have? How many kids do I want to have?
Currently or before?
How many kids?
Currently, me answer both. So one of them must right. Before, you did one. No, you say you don't want no more. But before you wanted 3.
Yeah, guys, me done. Can't take another one. What is my favorite part of your body?
I never know.
Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at your teeth, girl.
Me teeth?
Yeah, but I was going to say, you size your teeth.
Me teeth?
But I'm going to size your teeth. I'm going to say normally have like a natural black line.
Lip line.
What?
What you think of nothing else?
Is that really like a So the family gathering, a relative makes a comment against your core beliefs. What's my move? So they make a comment against your core belief. What would I do in defense? A. Challenge relative, potentially causing a scene. B. Remain silent during the gathering, but later discuss my feelings with you. C. I steer the conversation to a neutral topic, avoiding confrontation. Yeah. Or is there something else you think I'll do?
I think it's B and C.
What's B again?
B, you would like talk. You would go and go talk about it. Like, you hear what so and so say? You can't believe so and so said that. Like, what was that? Or if people you're comfortable with, then you'd steer the conversation somewhere else.
No, but it's your family now. Your family gathering.
It's my family?
It's a family gathering.
It's a family gathering.
Okay. Right, I'll give you mainly because of the first answer. You have to confront people. Let's go and say you eat that.
Like,
it does that worth it. Alright. Am I likely to retire or keep working when I'm 67?
Retire? 67?
Man! I say more time when I'm 40. When I go, I'm not turn no slave for nobody. Bye. I don't know. I'm not doing that.
67?
The ambitious. 67. When I doubt me now, nothing about it. Who do I like more? No, this is a problem question.
Oh, wait.
Who do I like more? What did I want to be when I was 10?
When you were 10?
Yeah.
Come on.
Me know you don't want to be though.
Well,
Actor.
no.
Of course.
Not when I was 10.
Well, anyway, if you answer the question.
So you're not getting it wrong.
Well, you'll get this wrong. What did I want to be when I was 10? You know you'll get it wrong. Start with C.
Start with C.
Yeah.
A coconut. Another time I
Wow.
answer. Start with C. A carpenter.
Captain of a ship.
Me not believe you.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so nobody will know from primary school.
Okay.
Would I turn off your life support machine if you ask me to? That should be the question.
Okay. No.
Why?
Okay, you want me try.
I'm not killing nobody. I'm not kill the sun. I'm not killing the sun. If I discover a whole letter note from an ex, or my ex, how do I handle it? I read it, reminisce for a moment, then discard it. B, I share it with you, discussing the past and how I have grown. C, I put it away without reading, feeling it's irrelevant or current life or something else.
I kinda think of Beyonce.
What must be?
Share it with me and then we talk about it.
But that's true, that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Look how many even love.
But like if me not did it, you would just dash it.
If you not did them, I have to kiss my teeth. And it depends on the kind of mood.
That's why I said Beyonce.
Depending on the mood that I'm in for the day. But I think reminisce though is a strong word. Nothing than I reminisce.
Yeah. So I got that one. I'll count them up now. This is me. This is Emily. Feel lighter already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I won. So you have to do where green card there. So there's a green card in there that he has to scan to see what the loser does. So it's a loser scan me.
No, but I don't know who is that.
I know me. My God, I know me a pick. So it says, oh, so you have to choose a forfeit. Oh, me have to choose a forfeit for the loser. So, me I get the option to choose. Write them a love letter or a thoughtful card to express your feelings, or plan a surprise date night or weekend getaway.
You know what I mean, man? Me a paper, me a pen. Plan a surprise, huh? Date night.
Yes. Plan a surprise date night or a weekend getaway, or write them a love letter or a thoughtful card to express your feelings.
Guys, what I choose? What I choose? That's what I choose.
What them would I choose? Them I choose the getaway.
You never said it's a date night or
Getaway.
Alright, we'll choose that one then.
Well,
Date night.
okay. People make up on dates. We feel vlog it for them. But then sister, you do it for true. Because the last time me lose one game and I did supposed to carry you somewhere, I vlogged it to make sure that they saw you. We went to Buccaneers.
You know, try to see me get something from Tesco. I can't say that. Until I'm a mackerel. Date night, puppy. Hurricane Kango.
Which hurricane can go? Alright guys, so that's the end of our game. I won, of course, so I'm gonna get date night on a hear him say it, you know. So if you don't see no date night video come, that means I'm gonna get me something yet. So no.
Yeah.